Hi everyone, it's us again.
Hey!
We're ready for another episode of Thomas's Story Time.
Yay!
All right, Thomas, what are we reading today?
Today we're reading Skeleton's Big Sneeze.
Achoo! All right, I think we're ready.
It's Witch's Halloween parties tonight, Skeleton exclaimed. I can't wait. There'll be scary games and a talent show too. What should I do at the challenge show? Skeleton wondered. Sing a song, juggle, rock and robot. Maybe I'll just do my monster-pleasing tap dance. Achoo! Skeleton sneezed softly. Uh-oh. I hope I'm not catching a cold. Skeleton's clock chimed. Slimy snakes, she cried. I've got to go. Skeleton raced to Witch's house and rang the doorbell. Shivering, she sneezed a bit louder. Achoo! Welcome, Witch shrieked. Come and join us. Skeleton followed the spooky music to the living room. All of Skeleton's friends were already there. Wolfman and Dracula were playing pin the tail on the black cat. Mummy was trying to tag Frankenstein. Ghost was looking for the invisible man. Isn't this fun? Skeleton cried out as one of the chairs grabbed her. I win, Ghost shouted. Now let's play my favorite game, Peekaboo. Maybe later, Witch said, but now it's time for the terrible talent show. I'll start, Mummy said, even though I usually wrap things up. Mummy performed magic tricks, and with a puff of smoke he made Dracula disappear. Then Mummy pulled a hissing cobra out of his top hat. I'm next, Skeleton exclaimed. I am going to perform my bouncy bones tippity tap dance, Skeleton sang, with the click to the left and a clack to the right, a spin and a jump and Oh no, Skeleton froze. Another sneeze was coming. A big one. Achoo! Skeleton sneezed so loudly that all of her bones flew everywhere. Fantastic, the invisible man said. Do it again, howled Wolfman. Spooktacular, Witch screamed. She's the hands-down winner. But I didn't mean to fall apart, Skeleton said. Help me, please. Ghost tried to scare Skeleton's bones back in place. Boo! But that didn't work. Let me try, Mummy said. Perfect. Now she's fit for a tune. I don't think that's right, Skeleton said. I'm great with puzzles, Dracula said. Just watch. But that didn't work either. What am I going to do? Skeleton sighed. Step aside, monsters, Witch called out. Let me show you how it's done. Witch waved her wand and a cloud of smoke surrounded Skeleton. She took some items from her pocket and chanted, Chicken bone, raven's feathers, skeleton bones come together. When the smoke cleared, Skeleton looked down. Thank you, Witch, I'm me again. You're very welcome, Witch replied, but you really should take care of that cold. How about some rotten apple tea? which led her friends to the dinner table. And now let's have our annual Halloween feast, she announced. Skeleton picked up a bowl and then, is everything alright? Witch asked. Skeleton said, amazing party!
Ray, want to read us some fun facts?
Fun facts about bones. The longest and heaviest bone in the human body is the thigh bone, which is the upper leg. The smallest human bone is the stapes, one of 3 tiny bones in each middle ear. It is less than 1 inch long. The stapes bone helps transmit sound waves through the eardrum and enables hearing. Human hands have 27 bones in 3 groups: the phalanges in your fingers and thumbs, the metricarpals in the palm, and the carpals in the wrist. Babies have about 300 bones in their bodies at birth. Some bones begin to join together so that a full-grown adult has a grand total of 206 bones.
Thanks for joining us tonight.
Bye!